go.
I guess something. There's nothing in here.
Show the package first. No, show the box.
There's 2 things in here.
Show this box.
Okay. I know this doesn't say.
Show the box on the camera.
A box here. I'm gonna open it up and see what it.
And you can plug it in the thing and see if it works.
See, with my phone, this. I need these for my phone.
Did we get 4 of them?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, he's one breaks. You know how this part. Okay, I'm gonna put this one.
Do you want to plug those in real quick over here? And
I can put it right here. This thing right.
no, so you don't have to undo them. You want to plug them in real quick right here and show the charge your phone so I can prove that they work when we first get them. I can bring the camera over here. Bring the camera over here.
Put this in.
Yeah, and did those ones first. Oh shit, that was bad. I just said the S word. Shit word. I said it again. I messed up the video. It came undone.